Hi guys, welcome to Run Deals. Today we're going to be reviewing these professional clippers that I got for my pet. It comes in this nice little carrying case so you can take it everywhere you go, and it's really nice and convenient. It's got strong power, sharp ceramic blades, 5 adjustable blades so you can choose the length of the hair that you want to cut, and it's low noise, so once you turn it on, doesn't scare her. So it's really great. It comes with a charger, the charge down here, which is really nice. Oil to lubricate the blade, and then these are the different size blades. So you have 3 millimeter, 6 millimeter, 9 millimeter, and 12 millimeter. And then you have the shorter one, which is on it, obviously. It's got a little brush to help clean out the blade. Then it also comes with scissors, and you already know you're going to get a haircut. And then scissors and a comb for you to comb her hair first. So really simple to use, really nice. Like I said, it, works amazing, which I'll show you later, but really simple. You can adjust the length also up here. So it goes from 0.9 to 2.0, so different length of the hair cutting on here as well. So really simple, like I said, to use. You turn it on, and you could just cut away, and it's fine. It cuts the hair really quick. Let me just cut just to show you, but just like that. Look, really simple, really quick, and easy. I'm going to show you also cutting a little bit more, but I love this. It's nice and convenient. I like to cut around her eyes before, sometimes, before going to the groomer, and even behind, so that way when she goes to the potty, it's not a lot of hair. Her paws. This is really great. Highly recommend this product. Works amazing, and I hope you enjoy. Bye.